In this video, we will show you how to create and use job profiles in ITICnxt. The Profiles feature allows you to create templates that can be used to automatically fill in commonly used information on repeat or multiple locate requests. After logging into ITICnxt, click on the User Settings button on the navigation bar. Then select Job Profiles. This will take you to the Job Profiles menu. If your account has any existing job profiles saved, they will appear here. To create a new job profile, click the Create Job Profile button at the top of the screen. All fields are optional. You can enter as little or as much information as you like. When you have finished filling out all necessary fields, click the Create button. The new profile will now appear in the Job Profiles menu. You can edit the profile from the same menu by clicking its corresponding Edit button. Be sure to click the Save button to save your changes. Now that you have created the job profile, you can use it when creating new locate requests. Selecting any profile from the drop-down list will automatically enter all relevant information into their respective fields. You can easily switch between multiple job profiles if you have more than one saved. You can also edit any field by hand if the profile does not perfectly match that particular project. Finally, you can edit or create new job profiles from here by clicking the Create/Edit Profiles link. It is our hope that this feature will help save you time and streamline your ITICnxt experience. Thanks for watching.